The Upanishads proclaim Sa Vijaya Vimuktaye. True education is that which empowers and liberates. My government has added a golden chapter to the history of primary education in Odisha by laying the foundation stone of the ambitious Godabarish Adarsha Pradhamika Vidyalaya scheme from the sacred soil of Banapur. In the first phase, an amount of 12,000 crore rupees will be spent on 2,200 schools over the next 4 years from 2025-26 to 2028-29. Educational infrastructure and the learning environment will improve significantly through modern classrooms, digital tools and sports facilities, and every child will be equipped with foundational literacy and numeracy skills. My government has undertaken transformative reforms in primary education in alignment with the National Education Policy. In accordance with the NEP mandate, the enrollment age for grade 1 has been revised to 6+ years. In the academic year 2025-26, over 45,000 pre-primary classes named Sisu Vatika were opened in all government primary schools, enrolling around 3.2 lakh children in the 5 to 6 year age group for the first time. Further, in January 2025, the state has adopted the National Curriculum Framework as the state curriculum framework with local contextualization. Textbook preparation is underway as per the revised NCF and will be implemented in all government schools from class 1 to class 8 from the academic year 2026-27. For the first time, a massive enrollment drive was undertaken with the letter of Honorable Chief Minister reaching over 6 lakh families and encouraging them to get their children admitted to Sisu Vatika and Class 1. In the first week of April 2025, Pravesh Utsav and Kadi Chuan festival was celebrated in all schools to encourage newly enrolled children and their parents. In addition to this, my government is conducting a special house-to-house campaign 2025 to identify dropouts, children with special needs, and to map multilinguistic education needs. The survey will be helpful in subsequently preventing dropouts and re-engaging such children with the mandate of NEP 2020. In order to empower SC, ST, OBC and minority students, my government has devised and implemented a range of policies, programs and schemes in consonance with overall development goals. Residential school facilities were provided to 5.51 lakh ST and SC students through 1,765 schools and 5,967 hostels, ensuring a supportive learning environment for the holistic development of ST and SC students across the state. My government has made significant progress in scholarship support under Mukhyamantri Medhavi Chhatra Protsahana Yojana with support of centrally sponsored schemes. During 2025-26, scholarships were sanctioned to 7.20 lakh ST, SC, OBC, EBC students at the pre-metric level amounting to 760 crore rupees and to 4.17 lakh students at the post-metric level amounting to 532 crore rupees. Recently, my government enhanced the pre-metric scholarship rate to 1,600 rupees per month for ST and SC boy boarders and 1,700 per month for ST and SC girl boarders. Further, to reduce dropout among tribal students, my government through the Shahid Madhav Singh Hathway Yojana has already sanctioned an amount of 38 crore rupees in favor of 60,075 ST students so far in 2025-26. To enhance employability and livelihood opportunities among backward communities, my government has imparted skill development training to 653 OBC SEBC youths during 25-26. Additionally, under the state sector scheme for minority welfare, concerned districts have received funding towards construction of 50 multi-purpose community cultural centers at the rate of 50 lakh rupees per MPCC, and provisions have also been made for construction of minority hostels. My government has undertaken a comprehensive transformation of the technical education and skill development ecosystem in Odisha, with a strong focus on access, quality, industry relevance, digital enablement, and global competitiveness. Under this Sudacha scheme, girls' enrollment has increased from 6% in 2016-17 to 28% in ITIs in 2025-26 and from 18% in 2022-23 to 32% in polytechnics in 25-26. My government continues to strengthen employability and entrepreneurship through multiple flagship interventions. The placement link training program aims to enhance the employability of youths with placement assurance, offering skilling in sectors like apparel, construction, and healthcare. Women participation has risen sharply from 30% in 2021-22 to 73% in 2024-25 under this program.
जदि आपंक आम भिडी भल लगा तेब आम चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करने को जमा भी भूलु नहीं।